Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can make a tripod lamp holder. Actually I want to do this for 3D printing. So just let's do this. At first I need to insert the photo of the object. I've already measured the dimensions. I just need the dimensions of the lamp holder cylinder here. The model shouldn't be too thick because it's not necessary. Here I have to use a rectangle because the roundness of the circle cannot fit the tripod plate properly. I need to have a cut here and I will explain the use of this cut soon. This number should be close to 0.8. Since the height of the cylinder was 36 mm, I divide it into 3. I need to use offset because it allows me to extrude from a new starting point. Well, now I want to tell you the use of these two parts. These are the holders of the lamp holder, and the middle cut is the distance that allows us to press the lamp holder with screws. Now I plan to install the M5 nut slot because I'm gonna use the M5 screws. Unfortunately, I didn't extrude enough, so I have to re-extrude the desired parts. So it's done. I'm gonna use the rectangle pattern to copy the feathers of right parts to the left parts. Oh guys, I don't know what happened, but it's not a big problem. We'll solve it together now. Well, I need to extrude the part of the sketch and make a hole. I made a mistake here. The hole size can't be 5mm because the screw will touch the part and cause problems, and I don't want that. So we have to repeat this for both side parts. In my opinion, curves make parts stronger and more beautiful, and I like it. So let's make a lot of curves here. We need to use selective analysis to hide a part of the model so we can add new parts. Here I have to add an offset plate so that I can sketch on it. Well, unfortunately, I noticed that it wasn't extruded enough. But the good news is that we can easily fix it using the history glue. Don't worry, I did that to find the center, and I wanna put a slot for the knot. Now I have to extrude, but I have to extrude a little more because I don't want the screw to touch the lamp holder. So it's the final result of the model. I wanna change some parts of the model and I'll upload it to Cult 3D for downloading.